Today, we're having a product review. XFusion by Toppik. Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you could do to get it back. So today we're going to be talking about our product, hair fibers, okay, which is basically makeup for the hair. Now this is a second part of a continuing series of videos we're going to be doing on testing hair fiber type products. Okay. Earlier we did a video on kabuki, and like I said in the kabuki video, I'm going to be sending this product out to a test person, and this test person is a female with baby fine thin hair, and so she's a perfect candidate for this. This is for men and women both, and you know, she's not quite a candidate for a hair system or a wig. She could possibly do surgery, but surgery is expensive and not everybody can afford surgery. So this is a quick, easy fix to fill in that blank spot on your part, or just fill in all over that the light just shines through your hair. All right, so today we're going to be using two products from XFusion, all right, which XFusion has a professional toolkit, okay, that you can purchase, and then you can purchase your XFusion hair fibers separately. All right, now you don't have to purchase this, but this is going to give you a lot more preciseness on where you're putting the fibers. What is XFusion fibers and what is in the kit? This 3-piece kit contains everything you need for a perfect application of XFusion keratin hair fibers. XFusion products are designed to instantly create fuller, thicker looking hair. They are designed to meet the demands of the most discerning salon professionals, that's me, and yet be easy enough for you at home to use. To 1, make fine thin hair instantly look full and thick. 2, eliminate scalp show through, part lines, and patchiness. And 3, touch up the roots in between coloring. So now that you kind of know what comes in the kit, and we kind of know what the hair fibers are going to do, let's open the kit up and see what we got. In the kit, we have 3 pieces in here, and the 3 pieces include a spray applicator, which dispenses the product into a more precise placement versus just spreading it all over the place. Okay. We have a hairline optimizer that you're going to put around your hairline, and when you spray it to protect your face so you don't get the powder on your face, and just in the areas you want around the hairline to fill in that light hairline. And 3, we have XFusion Fiber Hold Spray, which you're going to apply that at the very end so to keep the fibers in place on your scalp and in the hair shaft. Kind of like a hairspray. All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our keratin hair fibers and we're going to open this up. All right, and as you notice, we have a salt and pepper shaker type top here, all right, which we're not going to keep. Since we got the kit, we're going to remove this, because with this, you're not really that precise on where you're actually applying. So with the kit, it's going to give you that little bit more preciseness. All right, so gently, carefully remove the top. You don't want to pop this off, otherwise you will have powder fibers everywhere, like poof. Now you're going to take your applicator and you're going to screw this down onto your Fiber Fusion bottle. Okay. The color we're using today is medium blonde. We're going to actually apply it onto one of my older hair systems like we did in the kabuki video, because it basically mimics the idea of thinning hair. And you can also, again, like I said in the kabuki, is you can use this on your thinning hair system. If you're not quite ready, or you had a blowout situation and your new hair system has not come yet, this will get you by until your next hair system comes in the mail, or you're able to go to the studio and get a new one installed. All right, so let's apply this. All right, so let's give this a try. We have a hair system here that's losing a lot of hair, just like a client would lose a hair. What we're going to do here is we're going to start at the edges where the hair is less thin, and we're going to hold and just push lightly and start filling in All right, so for the hairline definer, all right, we're going to go in here and we're going to lift this back up here, and we're just going to put this in here, and we're going to comb this back out of the way. And this is going to help protect our scalp. So I'm not really in tune with the applicator bottle. It seems to somewhat blow away the product that I've already placed on to the scalp. So I find that I have to use more of this than I did the kabuki. The hairline applicator I'm not so sure about. Seems a little awkward to use. I don't think you're going to get this kind of definition on the hairline that you would look, or you'd think you're going to get. It's just more of a protecting the forehead, so you don't get this on the forehead. All right. Overall, it's okay. I like the shaker application better than I like the spray application. The spray application seems to, because it's a dust, a powder, the air from it seems to almost blow off some of what you just distributed. All right. But this is the first time using it, and it seems to be okay. But it seems like you do have to use a lot more, and the powder seems to flow everywhere around the hair. So you're not only going to get it there, even though you're using the applicator spray nozzle, it does have the tendency to poof a cloud of powder all over the place. All right. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're just going to set this in with our finger, like they say, and just move it around a little bit on the scalp. Then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to use the fiber hold spray. And this I don't think you can use too much either, because it's a little wet, and I think you would actually make your hair look thinner because of it's getting the hair kind of wet and almost like a hairspray holding it together. But in a quick fix, I think this would do the job, and it's accessible at your local stores, so it's easier to access than kabuki. Kabuki, you have to order it online. But again, for a quick fix, if you got a bald spot in your hair system, or you're going out and you just don't have time to do your hair color, you can do that. XFusion comes in 9 colors, by the way. All right, so that was our product review on XFusion keratin fibers today. And hey, if you've ever used XFusion keratin hair fibers and you like it or you don't like it, let me know in the comment section below and share with other viewers. your experience with XFusion. And if you've ever used it on your hair system, let me know about that also, because that's a quick trick to fill in those blank spots as a hair system starts going bald or losing its hair. Okay, and hey, I'll share that with our audience, and you know, sharing is how we all learn. Okay, guys? And that's what it's all about, is education, and that's why I'm here to help you out and educate you from a true hair professional that stands behind a chair all day and does this, and deals with clients of all types of hair loss, men and women both. Hey, if you liked what you saw today, let me know in the comment section below also, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you liked my video, and subscribe to my channel. That's how I keep going, guys. And I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.